To uninstall an app on Windows that you can't uninstall or repair using programs and features, you would then need to install Microsoft Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter. So go to Google and search Microsoft Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter. Then select this Microsoft link from the results and then click on Download Troubleshooter. Then you might get a message saying that it was blocked. So to unblock it, click on the three dots and then select Open Downloads page. And now in order to allow the download, click on Keep. Then click on Show in Folder. And then in your Downloads folder, double click on the troubleshooter to start it. Then click on Next. It will start detecting problems. So our problem is in uninstalling. So click on Uninstalling. Again, it will start detecting problems. And finally, it will give you the list of all programs. Select the program that you want to uninstall and then click on Next. Then it will give you two options. Select Yes, try uninstall. And then again, after some time, you will get a message saying troubleshooting has completed, problems found, and it's fixed. Once again, if you open Run and go to appviz.cpl and check your app, you could see HP DeskJet is not there anymore. So it means it has been successfully uninstalled.